Hello students, hope you people are enjoying the videos, doing the task as well as doing the practice from your book. Now we are discussing about factorization, and today in this video I am going to discuss about some more concept of factorization of linear equations. In last video we discussed when monomial is a common factor, then how you solve it. Today I am going to discuss about common factor if polynomial is a common factor, how you do the factorization. So let's start. So in our last videos we discussed in case of monomial we discussed this type of factorization. Likewise na, this is the general term of factorization when common factor is monomial, that is your x. Here x is a variable, suppose x is a common one and a and b are other variables or numbers. So if in place of this monomial x we change into the polynomial, then what happen? I'm going to change this x into x plus y. So what happened? X plus y equals into a plus b. Then if we multiply, so a into x plus y plus b into x plus y. This thing come into picture now. If you multiply these two polynomials, that x plus a is multiplied by x plus y, b multiplied by x plus y. So when we see this thing, when we take x plus y is a common factor in both the term. This is a one term, this is your first term, and this is your second term of this expression. If we take x plus y common, then what will happen? Here we have a plus b, so we express this into this. Furthermore, if we move or multiply it, what happened? We have ax plus ay plus bx plus by. Clear? So we have this expression. From this expression we take a monomial common in here, and from this we take a monomial common, that is b, and this in this case it's a. Again, in next step what we observe, that x plus y is common, so we take x plus y common. So this is a one step higher factorization than the monomial. In monomial we simply take the common monomial factor and then leave it as it is, but in this case first we take monomial common. If there is monomial common factor, then we take binomial common. Here we have binomials now, we may consider this as a polynomial, so we take polynomial common in this case, and now we are able to convert this fraction into this factorization. So we are going to work on this concept and try to solve some questions. Let's start. Okay, we will start from the very first question. This question is your x plus 3 into x plus 3 into y. Very simple question. As we discussed that there are two polynomial common, we can easily write down the answer. X plus 3 we take common because they are common factors in both the term. Then what we have here, x is left, here y is left. So this one is easiest one, but not math is sometimes typical also, but we have to follow the proper step to solve those typical questions into perfect solution. For that, I am choosing the next question. This is your next question. It's a 2 into x plus a whole square plus 4m. It's not plus, it's a minus, x minus a. So in this question, what you are observing, that here we have square of x minus a, means x minus a multiplied 2 times. Here x minus a multiplied 1 time. This is one part. Here 2 numeric coefficient 2, here numeric coefficient 4. From this we can find out easily which one is a numeric coefficient. So in second line, what we write? We take first numeric coefficient, common factor 2. Then here x minus a, and here also x minus a is there. So we write x minus a. In bracket again we have x minus a plus 2 common, so 2 left, m left, x minus a common, so nothing is left. Clear? Then we use 2 x minus a, already common. Here we can write down x minus a plus 2m. So this is your solution. Okay, I wish to move some more complex question. This is our next question. It says that 21 4p minus 5q whole cube plus 14 4p minus 5q whole square. How we simplify this one? One by one, see the step. In very first step, we check the numeric coefficient. Here 21 we have, here 14 we have. So out of 21 and 14, 7 is a common factor. So 7 is a common factor. Then come to the given expression. They are same, 4p minus 5q, 4p minus 5q. In this type of condition, always see the minus sign. Sometimes one sign in one solution sign is different, in other part sign is different. So you have to make them into similar. 4p minus 5q whole cube. Here what we have? We have 4p minus 5q into 4p minus 5q whole square. Here 2. So we take the lowest power as a common. 4p minus 5q whole square, lowest power common. Use the middle bracket. Here 7 is common, so what we have? We have 7 3s are 21, so there is 3. Here we have 4p minus 5q plus 2 only. Clear? Now we can proceed. (12p minus 15q plus 2). This is, I think this is your solution, because we are unable to write the more factors from this one. One thing I am missing, square is there. So all of you do this type of questions given in your book. I told you that there is a change of sign that we discussed at the last of the video. I wish to solve one more question. That is your question number 11 in given in the book. It is a good, I hope it's a good question. It is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Let's start. Again, we have a plus b common. Lowest power is always common. So a plus b common. A plus b whole square minus 3ab. So we can do one more thing here. A plus b. Now, as we know, a plus b whole square, you have to expand this one. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Then we can solve it very easily. What we have? This is your factorization. If you multiply these two, you have another thing in your picture, that is your a cube minus b cube, or a cube plus b cube, whatever the answer is. It's a sum of cube formula that we discuss in a higher part, next part. Now I told you that I will discuss our last question, where we used where there is change of sign. You have to be very careful. So I am going to write down that question. That question is your very simple: a into a minus 2c plus b into a minus 2c plus 2c minus a. So many of you, those who are in hurry in writing, they miss this question, or they lose their marks if they are hurry in solution. I always point out that be careful about your minus sign. Minus sign act as a bomb if you mishandle it. If you handle it carefully, it's a very beneficial for us, like a nuclear energy. When you mishandle that nuclear energy destroy the civilization. But if you handle it very carefully, it will improve the way of living to the society, for the society. So likewise here you have minus sign and handle it very carefully. See this question here: a into a minus 2c, okay. B into a minus 2c, in both a minus 2c is common. Here 2c minus a alone is there. When you observe that there is a change in sign, in these two they are same, but in these two there is change of sign. Here a is plus form, but here a is minus form. Similarly 2c is minus form and 2c is in plus form. How we solve such a question? Very easy. We take minus sign common first. How we take minus sign common? If we take minus sign common from this term, what we have? We change the signs present inside the bracket by choosing the minus sign. If we multiply this minus to this, minus into plus, minus a, minus into minus, plus 2c. So there is only, I change the signs. Now we have one polynomial as a common, and note down remaining part: a plus b. Here nothing is left, it means 1 is there. A plus b minus 1. So likewise you have to solve. One more thing about your task. In your task today I am going to give some question from this part. Wait. Okay, here your task is 6ab plus 6 minus 4b minus 9a. You have to factorize this given expression, and be careful. As soon as you complete the video, seeing the video, try to solve this one and give me your solution with your name. Need not to. Some of you, some of you, I am observing that you people are giving answer 1 day, 2 day afterwards when you see the video. Okay, I am not going to precise you. You may see the video, but try to solve this expression as soon as you finish the seeing the video, so that you can check among yourself that whether your concept is clear or not, and you must mention your name with your solution so that I can know that who is giving me a right solution, who is giving me a wrong solution. Please need not to copy from your comment part, otherwise you people misguide me to understand that who is understanding the whose concept is clear. Solve it, whatever answer you get, once recheck and then pass to the comment. If your solution is wrong, I must mention personally that your solution is wrong and you how where is it wrong. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.